What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to view your player stats and KD ratio in Battlefield 6 profile. So at the top of the screen, you'll see several different menus. All you need to do is move over to your profile tab. You can actually open this from just about anywhere, and it even works when you're looking at someone else's profile. Once you're on your profile, look at the top left section. Here you'll see all your main stats, your score, total kills, your kill to death ratio, and even your revives. Revives are actually a big stat now, which is nice to see cause most games don't really highlight that. If you ever wanna make your stats private, check the bottom right corner. You'll see an option that says private profile. Just press square on PlayStation or X on Xbox to turn this on or off depending on whether you want other players to see your stats. You can also view someone else's profile the same way. As long as they have the game, you can look at their player card and compare stats if you want. Hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.